I think you can call this a lotion bath or slime bath. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Happy New Year! 2020 will be a year of change for me. I will be making a lot of changes, big and small. I'm very excited. I'm scared, but excited. This week I'm going to introduce you to a lotion bath. It's not just a bath recipe, it's a very different kind of bath. One of the things I'll be making a change is how I take care of myself. I've been working very hard since January 1st. I had 6.5 hours of massage on New Year's Day. While I am very grateful, I've been very tired. I don't take baths at home very much, especially when California is in drought. But they have had a good amount of rain and I don't feel guilty taking baths. So I have already taken 3 baths since January 1st. It's one way to take care of myself as well as embracing my ethnicity and Japanese bath culture. I'm sharing lotion baths today because in about 5 weeks, Valentine's Day is going to be here. And this will be a good idea to add to a bath experience for couples. I may be very wrong, but this lotion bath may have been developed for couples to enjoy in the first place. So let's get started. I miss Japanese bathtubs because they're nice and deep. For the first time, I got smart and put a duct tape around the drain to keep the water level higher. Oh my god, this has been the best decision I've made this year. It's still drained, but at a much slower rate. After putting the hot water in the tub, mix the packet of honey lotion bath powder and stir. The package says to wait for 5 minutes because it needs some time for the water to get thicker and more lotion-like. In the meantime, stir some more. In the beginning, you see the white clumps, but they will get dissolved, at least most of them. After about 10 minutes, you can see the water has thickened. Let me show you with a dark background so you can see better. See how it's dripping slower. It's definitely heavier or slimier than water. I think you can call this a lotion bath or slime bath. As you take the bath, enjoy the lotion effect on your skin. If you have a long hair, you may want to put it up because the hair gets very thick with the lotion bath water. It just takes longer to wash it off. One caution: when this is mixed, the bottom of the tub is very slippery and dangerous. Often the undissolved clumps sinks to the bottom like this, and they create a slippery film at the bottom of the tub. Make sure you hold on to something and have a firm footing getting in and out of the tub. After taking a bath, wash the tub thoroughly. The only place I know how to get these is at the local drugstores in Japan or order on Amazon. I have purchased these on Amazon and they ship it to you pretty quickly overseas. So I'm sharing this today so you have enough time to order it and maybe try it before the big V-Day. I'll put the link below so you can check it out. They have different scents, although they are not very strong. No fragrance, Iran, milk, yuzu citrus, faintly mint, chocolate, pineapple, super cold may be better for summertime, cherry mochi, and coffee. They all have collagen and hyaluronic acid. The price of each packet varies between about 400 yen to 900 yen, which is little less than $4 to $9 depending on the seller. But you can get a set of multiples for cheaper per packet. Considering the international shipping charge, getting a set may be better. They also have a bubble bath version too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss my video when it's up and out.